You've probably tried drawing sleepy cartoon eyes before, but sometimes they end up looking bored instead. So I'm going to show you exactly what changes so you can draw sleepy eyes and bored eyes on purpose. I promise by the end you'll be able to tell the difference without guessing. Coffee optional. So let's see how far we can push eyelids before they scream, I need sleep! So we'll start with two ovals, tilted just a little. Nothing fancy, just a slight lean. And we'll adjust them into kind of bean shapes. And what I'm doing now is drawing a few helper shapes first. It makes it easier to get the bean shape right. I'm sure I will adjust it a lot later, but for now let's just start with these. You can skip this step if you want, but it's handy if you struggle with the shape at first. Now let's move on to the eyelids, which will be heavy and soggy. Gonna look fun. Now the lower we place them, the sleepier the eyes feel. This guy is really tired. Next, I place the pupils, tuck them under the lids, because when you're sleepy, you can barely keep your eyes open. So hiding the pupils helps sell that exhausted look. And now I start to tweak the eyelids. We'll give them some serious weight with these folds. Heavy, heavy eyelids. Like gravity went all in. I love the part in Tom and Jerry when Tom was so tired that he tried to hold up his eyelids with matches. But he was so exhausted that the matches just broke and he fell asleep anyway. Perfect inspiration for sleepy eyes. Only we won't hold them up with matches. Okay, who else grew up on the adventures of this crazy duo? What's your favorite part? Tell me in the comments, I must just catch it for you. Okay, now, but I draw the pupils properly, adding tiny shines to them. And I start to adjust the eye shapes a bit more and add the eyebrows, which follow the shape of the eyes. So they help show just how desperate this poor guy feels right now. And of course, if we want to push it even further, then we can add a few lines around the eyes. And there we go, super sleepy eyes, done in just a few simple steps. What do you think? And of course, we can elevate the feeling with more or deeper wrinkles, with really big bags underneath the eyes. These instantly add 1 or 2 sleepless nights. Or if we want to represent only 1 or 2 skipped hours from the night, then we don't need to be that dramatic with the eyelids and wrinkles, and then we get an almost sad look, but you can definitely tell that it's tired. But you don't fall asleep on me, drink your coffee, and let's make them bored. But what's the difference between sleepy and bored eyes? Not that much, that's why I put them together in one tutorial. But let's take a look at the differences anyway. And if you want to share your attempts, post them in the group and get tips and feedback from me or the community. Links below. So, we can start with the same oval shapes, but this time we'll skip the bean shapes and the wrinkles. The eyelids stay low, with the pupils still stuck underneath. Here I draw the lower eyelids too. You can always tweak things a little. And here I use the less is more technique and erase parts of the upper eyelids. One of my quick tutorials is all about this. You can check it out after this one. There's a whole playlist of eye tutorials if you want to explore. And finally, I start to refine the lines. Then for the eyebrows, we'll draw them similar to the surprise look, but not as high, otherwise the expression starts to look a bit confused. By the way, isn't it interesting how the same parts can create totally different feelings in different expressions? They will help a lot with the bored expression here, giving that kind of whatever dude vibe. It also gives a tiny annoyed sprinkle. Think of it like when someone talks endlessly and you're just thinking, when will it stop? Not a nice thing though, so don't do that. But we have a bored look. We can tweak it a bit too. For example, leave the eyelids high, but keep the pupils under the lids, of course, and tilt the eyebrows a bit like sleepy eyes. And there we have it. Sleepy eyes, bored expressions, what a day! And the difference is, for the sleepy eyes, I added heavy eyelids, big wrinkles, and huge bags underneath, which instantly makes them look absolutely exhausted. So don't be afraid to push those features further. Have fun experimenting. Oh, and I don't have any coffee left. How about you? And again, if you want to share your sleepy or bored eyes attempt, you can post them in the group, links below. Otherwise, click on the next video and let's keep practicing together.